In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check stock in Zoho Books. Keeping a quick pulse on what's in stock, what's committed to orders, and what's actually available to sell is essential for smooth operations. Zoho Books makes this simple with a built-in report that pulls everything together in one place. I'll walk you through the quickest path to it and show you what the numbers mean so you can make confident decisions. Start from your Zoho Books dashboard and head straight to the Reports section. You'll usually find it in the main navigation panel. Reports is the hub for all your financial and inventory insights, so going here first saves you from bouncing between modules when your goal is just to see stock at a glance. Once you're on the Reports page, use the search field at the top and type the word inventory. This instantly narrows the list to only inventory-related reports. It's a small step, but it speeds things up, especially if you have a long list of standard and custom reports in your account. From the filtered results, select Inventory Summary. This is the report designed to answer the big stock questions in one view. After it loads, you'll see a table of your items with key columns that tell the full story. Look for the item name or SKU, which helps you verify you're checking the correct product. You'll also see the quantity on hand, which is the physical stock currently recorded in your books. Next, check the committed or reserved quantity. That number represents stock already tied up in confirmed sales or transactions that will consume inventory. The most practical figure for day-to-day decisions is available stock, which is typically your on-hand quantity minus anything committed. That's the number to watch if you're deciding whether you can fulfill a new order immediately. It's helpful to scan for items with low available quantities relative to your usual sales volume. If you track reorder points, use this report to spot products that are approaching those thresholds. Also, if a figure doesn't look right, consider whether there are recent purchases, sales, or adjustments that haven't been finalized yet. Only confirmed transactions will be reflected here. If you don't see the inventory summary listed after searching, it may be due to user permissions or plan features. In that case, check with your administrator to ensure inventory tracking is enabled for your organization. And that's it. To recap the workflow, you'll use again and again. Open reports, type inventory in the search bar, and choose inventory summary to view your current stock. With this quick path, you'll always know what you have on hand, what's spoken for, and what's truly available to sell.